Go.
Alright. Sir, ODI grip with amber bar ends only on one side. On the other side, ODI bar ends. Here we got pink link bars, 8.25 rise, Vane BMX sticker, amber stem. It's upside down for some reason. I like it upside down. Here's my lucky rubber band. Lucky. Here we got the JDM sticker. It's actually a piece of paper with crazy glue. We have 2.20 Innova purple wall tires, Black Eye NFG forks with an Ezra peg. Here we got Fly Bikes, Reuben pedals. They're pretty good. They catch a lot of grip. We have stock cranks, American unsealed bottom bracket, was pretty gay. Amber seat with the seat post combo, very comfortable. Seats, yep. Here we go. Got the same tire that I had in the front, with an amber purple rim with a purple hub. Amber petting with the plastic sleeve on it. And then here's the hubs now.
You're doing it the right time.
And then amber purple sprocket, pretty good. And JDM's fuck sticker.
That's a good ass bike check if you ask me. Oh fuck. Should we get Louis too? That fuck.